Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download language pack for your Android or Samsung phone. So do a swipe up and go to your settings, go to your general management, and here at the top you will see the third option down, language packs. You can tap on that and this will allow you to download offline language package. So here you can see I have a bunch of options here that I already downloaded, but you can easily download more if you want. So let me scroll through. Let's say I would like to download, for example, the English United Kingdom. I can tap on that, and as you can see, it's currently downloaded on my phone. Keep in mind that there are times when you tap on this and it will open up the Samsung store for you. So if you see that appear, don't panic, just simply go ahead and tap the download or install button there, and you will basically do the same with download it and install it. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. As you can see at the top there, mine is now downloaded and installed, so I now have the English UK as my new language pack.